Hi, my name's Iman. I was an apprentice at Aston Group. I'm now a fully qualified electrical engineer.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm a final year gas apprentice at Aston Group.
I started my journey at Waltham Forest College, studying my level 1 and 2. From there, I've done 4 years of qualification. I'm now fully qualified AM2S Gold Card.
My role as an apprentice is to help engineers with remedial gas work, servicing and maintaining central heating systems.
I carry out remedial works on a daily basis and electrical landlord certificates. So without the key fundamentals that I learned at Waltham Forest College throughout my level 1 and 2, I wouldn't have been able to do so.
I've gained many skills throughout my apprenticeship. During the time at college, I learnt the technical skills to help me gain my qualification in plumbing and heating, and to transfer those skills into my everyday jobs that I do.
I'd definitely recommend it for anyone who's wanting to get into any type of trade. It's definitely a good way to start and get all the experience and the qualifications under your belt.
Working with Aston Group has been a really big opportunity for me to improve myself as an engineer and to help kickstart my career within the trades. Heavily recommend an apprenticeship because it just opens an amazing opportunity for you to go towards a qualification that you can use for the rest of your life.
I'm also very thankful for Aston Group and Waltham Forest College for providing me with the opportunity to do what I do today. Without the company and without Waltham Forest College, I wouldn't be where I am.